Greetings, road warriors. Welcome back to the Porter's RV Sales YouTube channel here in sunny Williamston, South Carolina, where luxury meets the open road. Today we are showcasing a motorhome that represents one of the absolute best values in the compact diesel pusher segment. This is the 2015 Thor Palazzo 33.2. For those who want the incredible ride quality, fuel efficiency, and longevity of a diesel pusher, but don't want to pilot a massive 45-foot bus, this 34-foot Palazzo is the perfect answer. It features 56,000 miles on the clock and comes in the highly desirable 33.2 floor plan. It utilizes two slide-outs, including a massive engineering marvel full wall slide, to completely maximize your interior living space once you pull into camp. Take a look at the exterior presentation out here. This coach is wrapped in Thor's premium Boardwalk graphics package. This is a genuine multi-stage full-body paint finish with a gorgeous clear coat. The elegant blend of creams, silvers, and deep browns gives it a sleek, high-end look that stands out anywhere you park it. Because it features an automotive-grade finish, it holds a deep, lustrous shine that cheap vinyl graphics simply can't match. No peeling or cracking decals to worry about here. This is luxury built for the long haul. Along the passenger side, you'll notice the power patio awning that creates a wonderful shaded area for your campsite, along with protective slide toppers installed over both slides to keep leaves and water away from your seals. Right here in the sidewall is your exterior entertainment center with a built-in 32-inch TV, perfect for enjoying a movie or the big game out under your awning. Throughout this walk-around, notice the polished aluminum wheels, the frameless windows, and the integrated camera system with both rear view and side view monitors. Around the back, you've got a 5,000-pound trailer hitch for your tow car or boat. This coach looks sharp, clean, and completely ready for the open highway. We are going to finish up our exterior view and then move straight down to open up the bays so we can inspect the heavy-duty mechanical systems. Let's move down to the basement, because the mechanical foundation of the Thor Palazzo is built for serious travel. This coach sits on a heavy-duty Freightliner chassis. Because it is a rear-engine diesel, you benefit from full air brakes and a full air ride suspension system. It delivers a remarkably smooth, floating ride that effortlessly absorbs road vibrations, making a long day behind the wheel feel like an easy cruise. Powering your journey is the reliable Cummins ISB diesel engine, producing 300 horsepower and 660 foot-pounds of torque, paired with the Allison automatic transmission with an electronic shifter. This powertrain is highly respected in the industry for being an absolute workhorse that is incredibly fuel-efficient for long-distance cruising. Now, here is a major point of value for the next owner. This coach is riding on updated 2024 Firestone tires all the way around. You are hitting the highway on a fresh set of premium rubber, which is a massive maintenance expense you can cross off your list. Opening up the storage bays, you'll find great pass-through basement compartments that offer plenty of room for all your larger camping gear, folding tables, and luggage. For your off-grid utility power, we have a large Onan 6.0 kilowatt quiet diesel generator with only 270 hours of use, mounted on a convenient slide-out service tray. This provides more than enough juice to run your dual 13,500 BTU roof AC units and all your interior appliances simultaneously while dry camping. You'll also find 50-amp service with a screw-in style extension cord, a premium Magnum inverter charger, and a battery disconnect system to manage your power efficiently. Campground setup is completely effortless thanks to the fully automatic hydraulic leveling jacks with a simple touchpad control right by the driver's seat. Every system on this Palazzo is engineered to provide maximum convenience and reliability on the road. Let's head inside and see how this incredible space management translates to luxury in the cabin. Step up into the Palazzo and you are immediately going to notice how wide open and residential this coach feels. Because of that massive full-wall slide-out on the driver's side, the interior volume of this 34-foot coach is absolutely spectacular. You have a seamless flow that connects the living area, the galley, and the bedroom beautifully. You'll notice the high-quality woodwork, the modern finishes, and the premium flooring immediately. It is a bright, airy environment with high ceilings that feels significantly larger than its physical footprint suggests. It's a beautifully preserved interior that sets a wonderful tone for the rest of our virtual tour. Let's start right here by checking out the kitchen. The full kitchen is exceptionally well equipped for the traveling chef. You have a massive stainless steel refrigerator and freezer, a gas stovetop, and a microwave convection oven for all your baking needs. The residential sink and faucet provide plenty of room for quick cleanup, and the solid surface countertops offer great space for meal prep. With deep drawers and a dedicated pantry area, this galley keeps all your cooking tools organized and right at your fingertips. Directly adjacent to the kitchen is your comfortable table dinette with 2 chairs. It provides a clean residential dining experience with a perfect view out the window. Positioned right above the dinette is your 32-inch TV, making it easy to watch your favorite shows from the lounge area. Forward into the cockpit, you have premium captain's chairs and excellent visibility. And look right above the 2 front seats. We have a power drop-down overhead bunk bed. This lowers with the touch of a button to create a hidden secondary sleeping space that stays completely out of the way while you're driving. In the main living lounge, we have a wonderful social layout. It features an extra Euro recliner and premium dual theater recliner seating. This is the ultimate spot to kick back, relax, and watch a movie after a long day of travel. The entire lounge area feels bright and exceptionally comfortable, making it a fantastic space for hosting friends. Moving down the hall, we find the private bathroom, and Thor did a wonderful job maximizing the space in here. The standout feature is the large shower enclosure with a solid glass door and a built-in skylight. That skylight brings in a beautiful amount of natural light and gives you that extra bit of headroom you want. You have a solid vanity with a sink, plenty of mirror and cabinet storage for your toiletries, a toilet, and a high-volume power vent fan to keep the air moving and the space fresh. It's a clean, bright, and highly functional layout that provides all the comforts of home, perfectly positioned for easy access from both the master bedroom and the front living room. For the long-term traveler, this compact diesel pusher comes fully equipped with a stackable washer and dryer system. Having separate residential-sized machines instead of a combo unit is a massive luxury, allowing you to wash and dry simultaneously while you enjoy your vacation, keeping you completely self-sufficient. Welcome to the Master Retreat. This is your private sanctuary at the back of the coach. It features a comfortable queen-sized bed that provides a wonderful night's rest. This room is masterfully optimized for storage. You have massive wardrobe closets, an abundance of deep built-in drawers for all your travel attire, and a dedicated 24-inch TV mounted perfectly for viewing from bed. Because this room is completely separated from the active living area by a solid door, it serves as a quiet, peaceful room to unwind at the end of an adventurous day. Large windows let in great natural light and catch a beautiful cross breeze, while the rich wood finishes and premium accent lighting back here really showcase the exceptional build quality of the Palazzo line. It is a cozy, highly functional master suite that ensures you get a great night's rest before the next leg of your journey. Let's start walking back out towards the front of the RV. As we move back through the hallway and into the living salon, you can really appreciate the natural residential flow of this 33.2 layout. The massive full wall slide creates incredible width, making it easy to move around without ever feeling cramped. Settling into the driver's seat, you have a commanding view of the road through that massive windshield. Your automatic hydraulic leveling touchpad, Allison transmission shifter, and air brake controls are all intuitively laid out right at your fingertips, making this 34-footer an absolute pleasure to pilot down the highway. As we step back outside, it is easy to see why the 2015 Thor Palazzo 33.2 is such a premier choice for smart travelers. To recap, you are looking at a 34-foot diesel pusher with 56,000 miles, a reliable Cummins engine, a heavy-duty Freightliner chassis, a power drop-down bunk, stackable laundry, updated 2024 Firestone tires, and that gorgeous Boardwalk full-body paint finish. If you want to see this coach in person, give us a call at 864-2609-276 or send an email to sales@portersrvsales.com. Be sure to visit us online at www.portersrvsales.com to see the full specification sheet and additional photos for this unit. Thank you so much for joining us for this tour at Porter's RV Sales, and as always, happy camping.